studying is in 5th standard. Today I'll be showing you all is an experiment about oxygen is required for combustion. For that we will need is a candle, a glass and a matchstick. First let me light up the matchstick. And just placing it in one place. Okay, after this, I'm going to take a glass and keep on top of it. Slowly. You see, it's going out. Once I kept the glass on top of it, the flame on this candle has completely extinguished. The reason behind is that as I keep the glass on top of the candle which has flame, the air that which was around the candle has become blocked and the flame has cut off. From this, we have understood that oxygen is required for combustion. Another thing I want to say is that air has 21% of oxygen in it, and for burning we need 16% of it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.